The general perception what people have about design engineers is that these are the guys who are going to be working on some 3D modeling tools, designing these components. When I say 3 plus thickness of radius, I know the reason for this 3 plus thickness of radius. Who understands the reason behind each and every dimension and then gives that dimension is called as a design engineer.
Hi Mr. Subbu.
Hello Pa.
How are you?
I am doing good.
So, who is a design engineer?
Yeah, this is a very interesting question. This generally sounds like a simple question, but it is actually not, because it has always been confusing to understand what a design engineer does. Right? The general perception what people have about design engineers is that these are the guys who are going to be working on some 3D modeling tools, designing these components, and that is the word, that is the catchword. Since this is what is told to the market, told to the people think that anybody who works on a 3D model is called a design engineer. But actually speaking, it is not about only designing the component on a 3D tool. Those people who know to only design components on a 3D tool are called as draftsmen. Since that doesn't sound really well, they are also called as design engineers. But actual design engineers are the people who decides a particular dimension of the component what is being designed. Say if I say 7 degree of draft angle, I know the reason of why it is 7 degree. When I say 3 plus thickness of radius, I know the reason for this 3 plus thickness of radius. When I say a particular angle of fillet, I know the reason for that particular angle of fillet. Any person who understands the reason behind each and every dimension and then gives that dimension is called as a design engineer. Rest of the people who only monotonously designs looking at a drawing are called as just designers. So if you are asking me about who is design engineers, I would very strongly say design engineers are the people who engineer components using design softwares like CATIA or NX. What does that engineering mean? Engineering means to input the right value knowing the functionality, production, quality, etc. and etc. So this is what is the role of a design engineer. It is not only about converting a 2D to a 3D model.